Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Serliana Lilo with NIM 2523752088. Now I would like to tell you about my daily activity. Every morning I always wake up at 5 o'clock. Before starting the day I always praying to ask for God protection and blessing for the day. After that at quarter to 6 I make my bed. Then at 6 o'clock I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that at 6:30 I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. After eating at quarter past 7 I start cleaning and tidying the house to everything organized. After all that, around 9:30 I check if there any college assessment that need to be done. Later at 20 to 12 I lunch and I prepare the clothes and equipment I will ask from campus. At 12 o'clock I get ready for class. After that I left for campus at 20 past 1, which is about a 13 minutes drive. I enter class at 2 o'clock to start my first lecture and classes usually end at a quarter to 6. Once here home, I rest from a while before taking a shower at 6:30. From a quarter to 7 until 25 to 9, I spend some time on my phone. Then I continue working on my college assignment until 10 o'clock. Finally, at a quarter to 12 at night, I prepare for bed, but before sleeping, I spend 20 minutes praying and reading the Bible to end the day faithful. Thank you. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Serliana Lilo with NIM 2523752088. Now I would like to tell you about my good moments and bad moments of my life. One of the best moments of my life happened in January when I was invited to go on vacation to two countries at once, Singapore and Malaysia. The trip lasted for the week and was filled with unforgettable memories. On the first day in Singapore, I immediately went to several famous photo spots and tried some local food. I visit iconic places like Maryland Park and Marina Bay, which were truly impressive. One on the highlights of the trip was spending a day at Universal Studios Singapore, where I enjoying many exciting rides and attractions. After 4 amazing days in Singapore, we traveled to Malaysia by land. It was my first time realizing how close the two countries actually are. Once we arrived in Malaysia, we continue exploring and visiting beautiful spots for photo and trying delicious Malaysia food. I also got the chance to visit some of Malaysia's most famous landmarks like the Petronas Twin Tower, Batu Cave, and Ten Ho Temple. And my bad moments of my life as home were the worst moment of my life happened in October, just a few months after that wonderful vacation. I studied become very and had to be hospitalized from a week. It was the longest time I had ever spent being sick, and I could do nothing but lie in bed all day. I even had to take several CT scans during the treatment process. It was a crazy and exhausting experience, but physical and emotional. Thankful after all the medical process and care, I fully recovered. I am grateful for my health now and more unaware of how important is it. Thank you.